Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the Apple Notes password on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Notes. In here, scroll down and tap on Password, and then tap on Change Password. Now it will try to use Face ID first to confirm your identity. And then in here you can put in your new password. So I'm going to put in the password and then go to the Verify text field and put in the same password again to confirm. And then you can put in a hint and then tap on Done. And that's it. So that is how you can change the password for the Notes app on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.